Hey everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards Ripping 2022 Topps Chrome Update Baseball 6-box break number 12. Pick your team. We have Arthur Y, Tigers, Cubs. Um, Bailey T, A's. Barry N, Astros, Phillies. Barton L, Twins. Brian R, Marlins. Chris C, Cardinals. Elvis R, Blue Jays. Gene C, Rangers. Harper B, Royals. Jacob C, D-backs, Nationals. Jerry B, Mets. John B, Orioles. Jonathan G, White Sox, Brewers. Kenneth W, Dodgers and Rays. Levi S, Braves. Phil K, Rockies. Phil B, Angels. Ryan B, Giants. Sean D, Mariners. Taylor W, Yankees. Thomas S, Red Sox. Tom C, Pirates, Padres. Tony J, Reds. And Victor F, Guardians. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Phil B, good luck in your first ever break. That Angel spot. Good luck to everybody. There's Suzuki debut. Fisk. Purple Luke Voigt. Royce Lewis purple debut. Stephen Kwan rookie. J-Rod rookie. Alec Thomas. Cole Sands. Alonso. Purple Luplow. Sanchez and Peterson. Hunter Green rookie. Campanella. Purple debut. Ramos. Freddie Freeman. Royce Lewis and Rene Pinto. Rookie purple. Lodolo. Pivetta. Miranda. It's Isaac Paredes. Paredes and Winder. It's Lodolo. Honus Wagner. And rookie purple, Bobby Witt Jr. Shane Baz. Shohei Ohtani, generation now. Doolittle. Joe Perez. Seiya Suzuki, rookie, and Alejandro Kirk. That is rookie X-Fractor, Lucius Fox. You go Nats, that's the 99, and Mackenzie Gore, purple debut. Sandberg. Grichuk. Brendan Donovan, rookie purple. Jay Melendez and Seiya Suzuki, rookie purple. O'Neill Cruz, debut purple. And Mike Clevinger. All right. Box number 2. For this, we have our Triple Threads Museum and 5-star 3-box mixers. Last I checked, first 2 were sold out, and the third has 4 to go. Those are actually sold out now. Our Bowman Draft Super Jumbo Bowman Jumbo and Bowman Chrome Hobby 3-box mixers, random team style, sold out and 9 to go. Kikuchi. 19 to go on our 22 and 18 Bowman Chrome Hobby 3-box mixer random teams. There's Jeremy Pena, Robin Yount, purple rookie Mackenzie Gore, and then 15 to go on our museum and tier 1 6-box mixer random teams. Sveti, and 16 to go on Topps Update Jumbo full case random teams. There's Stephen Kwan, Generation Now. Alec Thomas, and ooh, nice. Guardians, rookie, auto, Stephen Kwan. Congrats, Cleveland. Victor F. Nice. Stephen Kwan, rookie auto. That'll be our first mag of the day. Hopefully first of many. Gary Sanchez. There's Mike Trout, All-Star, and Julio Rodriguez, rookie purple. Josh Lowe. Steve Carlton, rookie debut purple. George Kirby. Diego Castillo. Shane Baz, rookie purple. Jose Miranda. Chase Silseth. Springer, Seiya Suzuki, rookie debut purple. George Kirby, Nick Lodolo, rookie purple. Musial, Tommy Romero, rookie purple. CJ Abrams. Seiya Suzuki, Generation Now. Hunter Green, debut purple. Austin Meadows. Tim Anderson. That's Cooper Hummel, rookie purple. Abrams, Naquin. McCovey, Adrian Martinez. Rylan Bannon. There's Bobby Witt Jr. debut. Jeremy Pena debut. Acuna. And John Gray. J-Rod debut. Altuve and Marisnik. All right. Box number 3. Peterson. Miranda, Schmidt. There's Wander rookie debut purple. Suzuki, Freeman. Soto, Joan Duran. Pavetta. J-Rod, rookie. Peterson. Luke Williams, Nick Lodolo. DeGrom, MJ Melendez. Kirby. Just 4 breaks left to fill up today. There's O'Neal Cruz generation now, and Joe Ryan debut purple. Austin Meadows. Just 9, 19, 15, and 16. No, 7, 17, 13, and 16 to go for the day. Pete Alonso All-Star. Nick Allen rookie purple. Ramos, there's Gore debut. Pinto, Kirby Puckett. Brendan Donovan. Bannon, Gore. Jeremy Pena debut. O'Neal Cruz. J-Rod rookie debut. Burns and Paddock. There's Jose Miranda. That is rookie debut Aqua to 250. Twins. There's Scherzer. Robinson and Winker. Jeremy Pena rookie. Royce Lewis debut purple. Alvarez and Smiley. Hunter Green, Cole Sands. Alejandro Kirk and Kevin Smith. All right. Box 4. Seven to go on that Bowman 3-box mixer. It's a box of 22 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo, box of 22 Bowman Jumbo, and a box of 22 Bowman Chrome Hobby. There's Quan. Piazza. Fulmer. Melendez. There's Pena. Redemption. Let's see a big hit here. It's going to be a gold refractor auto. George Kirby, Mariners. Nice one, Seattle. Congrats, Mariners. Gold refractor auto. AJ Pollock. Hey, Joshua, how's it going? Tucker and Dozier. Pepio. Gore. There's Bobby Witt Jr., rookie. Wade Boggs. Seager. Bryson Stott. Yeah. Kirby's good, though. Krizan. I mean, I know it's not who anybody's likely chasing when they buy the Mariners in a break, but Corbin Burns. Still good rookie auto to get. Jorge Soler. Hank and Bryson debut. Will Smith. O'Neill Cruz generation now and Bo Brieske. Bradish and Bassett. Kershaw All-Star and Torkelson debut purple. There's Wander rookie debut. Duran, Banks, and Bryson Stott rookie purple. Nico. Yeah. Absolutely. There's Bobby Witt Jr. generation now, rookie insert from Jay Melendez. Yep, Flawless Baseball releases on Wednesday, everybody. We're going to have left side serial number breaks, random teams, and random divisions. We have those listed right now on the website. There's Corey Seager, William Woods. Just go to click on live breaks and then Matt's MLB breaks, or you can go to break schedule and Matt's MLB breaks. I would imagine we're probably doing some more Flawless on the main channel that day as well. I haven't looked yet. All right. It's Brendan Donovan, JP Sears, Babe Ruth, and Royce Lewis, rookie purple. Torkelson debut, Morales. Hunter Green. This is Albert Pujols, purple. Matt Chapman. Nolan Arenado All-Star. Hazley. Lodolo purple debut. Big Mac. This is Kosuke Kato. Ethan Roberts. Bryson Stott. Adam Frazier. Purple. Brandon Marsh debut. There's Ohtani, All-Star, and Helio Ramos, rookie purple. Marcus Stroman. Spencer Torkelson, rookie. There's Kershaw, and rookie purple, Hunter Green. Montero, Cabrera. Wander generation now. Arias. Musgrove and purple Trevor Story. Royce Lewis. There's an Austin Meadows refractor. $2.99 for the Tigers and Rowdy Tellez. Pujols, Martinez, Estrada. Stephen Kwan, rookie purple. Ramos. Baez. Manoah and Jesus Sanchez. All right. Last box. We have 7 mixers in a row up after this. Brian Pepio. Kaline and Brosseau. Stephen Kwan debut. Sawinski. There's Torkelson. And A's rookie auto, Kevin Smith. Little last spot mojo there. There's Jason Krizan. What's up, Chris? How you doing? Seager. Sokar. Winder. Seiya Suzuki, rookie. Gibson and Iglesias. CJ Abrams. Bobby Witt Jr. Radish. Joe Perez. Tucker and Duffy. Stephen Kwan, rookie. Dozier. Arias. Goodrum. Bichette. That's purple rookie. Bryson Stott. Brad Miller. Riley and Melendez. Alcantara. Lodolo. Maddox. There's Wander debut and Michael Fulmer. Devers and Chassin. 2 packs to go. AJ Pollock. Kershaw and Roberto Perez. Quick recap of the autos. Nice 6-boxer here. We had A's rookie auto, Kevin Smith. Redemption is gold rookie auto, George Kirby. Mariners. And then Guardians, that's rookie auto, Stephen Kwan. That'll do it for the break. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate it. We have mixers coming up next.